What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the coolest grab in snowboarding, a method. Now, even though the method is the coolest grab in snowboarding, it's also the trickiest, kind of the hardest grab to do, because it involves a couple points. You're not just grabbing melon when you do the method. You also need to counter rotate your upper body and pull your back leg out and extend it out. So there's a lot of moving parts to this method, so let's go break them down. Now, before you can do a method, make sure you can confidently straight air jump and grab melon, because that's the grab you're going to be doing when doing the method. Also, the bigger the jump, the easier your method is going to be, because you want to initiate the trick once you hit the apex of the jump. If you try to do the trick too early, you're going to get all wobbly and goofy. So you want to be confident in your approach, a little on your toes, pop in the air, and once you hit the apex is when you want to counter rotate, get your melon grab, and then really kick out that back foot, hold that back arm a little forward, that counter rotation, and be like, Now, if you are struggling with your counter rotation, here's a drill that you can work on the counter rotation you need to do a method. And it's just you're on a run, going straight, and you are gonna kick your back foot out and your upper body, once again, bring that back arm forward, just like if you were doing it. Visualize the trick when you're practicing that counter rotation. A lot of your tricks come from visualizing it and seeing it prior to even attempting it. The biggest trick with the method, guys, is you get in the air, you get that melon, and it's all in that back foot. Kick it out as hard as you can. You're kicking that back foot out. I also like to really try to reach forward with that backhand, and that's really tweaks it out and makes the method look really good. What you don't want to be doing is a lifted back leg melon where you don't go sideways. They look really goofy, and it's not how you do a method. Methods, you gotta swing that back foot out. One cool thing about a method is if you do it off of a hip, specifically a backside hip, they're super comfortable and it really kind of throws you in. So maybe if you're trying to learn a hip, maybe try to learn them on the backside hips first, and then you'll really start pulling them together. All right, guys, so once again, the method's the coolest grab you can do in snowboarding, but it's also the hardest. So start on a medium-sized jump. Obviously have the appropriate speed in order to do it. Practice your counter rotation, practice your melon grab prior to trying the method, and then you start putting them together. So I would recommend grabbing melon and then trying to do that shifty with the kick, you know what I'm saying? The counter rotation kick out. Melon first, then the rest at the apex of the jump. Not too early, you're gonna get all goofy. Go out there, try some methods. If you get them, tag it to me on Instagram. I'd love to see your guys' snowboarding. So if you're landing tricks or doing anything, DM me on Instagram. I can't promise I'll get to all of them because I get so many, but I would love to see you guys land some methods. Also, follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of bonus extra content there. It's not only how you know where I'm riding each day, but there's bonus content. So check out the Instagram, give it a follow. Also, if you want to support the dream, you enjoy these daily videos, get some merch. It's all linked in the description. Hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys. Any of the merch is linked down below. If you do snag it, tag me on my Instagram. Lastly, did I miss any tips for the method? If I did, comment those down below too. How do you do your methods? Is there something that I left out? And also, comment down below, what trick should I cover next? A lot of you guys were requesting the method, so I'm happy that I got this video done for you. And on that note, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. My goal is to help all of you become the best snowboarders possible. So hit that subscribe button and then like the video, because if you do like the video, the almighty YouTube algorithm will bless me and more people can see these videos. More people can get better at snowboarding, which is the whole goal of this channel. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliff